Welcome to Car Comparos. Today we'll be comparing the Honda PRV with the Mahindra Scorpio. So why are we comparing these two cars? For donkey's years, the Indian customer just didn't have an option of buying modern, monocoque, reasonably lightweight SUVs, let alone a 7-seater SUV for an affordable price. We had to content ourselves with crude, archaic, heavy, and highly inefficient SUVs for a budget of anywhere up to 20 lakhs. The former is represented by the PRV and the latter by the Scorpio. What we are trying to find out is whether it is finally time to stop wasting 2 tons of steel making mafia politicians chariots of choice and instead make two sensible crossover SUVs using the same quantity of metal. Pricing and features. The range-topping PRV VX diesel costs 15.1 lakh rupees, which is just 25,000 rupees more than the Scorpio S10 4x2 MT variant costing 14.85 lakh on road Delhi. Both cars have a few extra features absent in the other. The Scorpio has touchscreen, navigation, tire pressure monitoring system, cornering lamps and cruise control, while the PRV has electrically folding mirrors, push button start and smart key. Performance and drivability. The PRV is 18% more powerful than the Scorpio in terms of power to weight ratio. This makes it quicker than the PRV at any speed and in any gear. PRV comes with a 6-speed gearbox which makes it a more relaxed cruiser than the Scorpio on highways as well. In terms of drivability around town, both cars have excellent low-end torque, making them incredibly easy to drive in city traffic. Scorpio has a slight edge over the PRV in terms of sound deadening. The difference between the automatics is even more stark, with the Scorpio being particularly sluggish than the CVT-equipped PRV. Since the PRV petrol is 51% more powerful in terms of power to weight ratio than the Scorpio. BRV's petrol powered iVTEC obviously is incredibly smoother and sweet sounding compared to the Scorpio's diesel mill as well. Fuel efficiency. BRV diesel manual has an ARAI certified mileage of 21.9 kmpl, which is 6.5 kmpl more than the Scorpio's mileage of 15.4 kmpl. The BRV petrol automatic has an ARAI certified mileage of 16 kmpl, which is 2.4 kmpl more than the Scorpio diesel automatic. In our back-to-back tests, the BRV was a whopping 5 kmpl more efficient than the Scorpio manual. The BRV petrol automatic was almost 2 kmpl more efficient than the Scorpio diesel automatic. Therefore, both automatics will require fuel worth 4 lakh rupees over a usage of 75,000 kilometers. Space and comfort. With 7 passengers on board, the Scorpio has absolutely no luggage space left over, whereas the PRV has 223 liters of boot volume even with all the seats occupied. Scorpio's third row of seats is no less than a punishment for the occupants. The PRVs are big enough to accommodate the smallest members of a family in adequate comfort. Scorpio's only advantage over the PRV is the added width of the middle row, which makes seating 3 passengers less of a squeeze than the PRV. The interior ambience and build quality of the PRV, though not great, is still much better than the Scorpios. Handling and ride quality. There is just no way to put it mildly. Scorpio is one of the worst handling cars on the market today. It has tremendous body roll, making it frightening to drive around the bends. It is equally scary while panic braking from high speeds as well. It is a constant reminder of Scorpio's 0 out of 5-star result in global NCAP crash tests. PRV on the other hand is unexpectedly good fun around the turns. It has good mechanical grip and a well-weighted feel-some steering helping its cause. But that's not all. Scorpio's excessively tall height requires ultra-stiff suspension to dial down the body roll, resulting in a back-breaking ride quality, quite contrary to its dune-bashing image. BRV's ride is fairly good through all but the biggest of the bumps, and its 210 mm of ground clearance makes it well suited for Indian road conditions. Reliability and after-sales service. Mahindra's products have always been prone to reliability issues, while Honda's vehicles have made their mark in the market with impressive reliability over the past 20 years in our country. Honda's after-sales service, though, has been failing to meet customers' expectations. Mahindra's service support is no better than Honda's, but thanks to their tractor dealerships, Mahindra has managed to get service reach in the rural parts of India. Resale and cost of ownership. BRV is bound to hold better residual value than the Scorpio thanks to its frugal engine and comparatively hassle-free ownership experience compared to Mahindra. The BRV manual diesel works out to be a colossal 2 lakh rupees cheaper in overall ownership costs compared to the equivalent Scorpio. But what is even more surprising is that the CVT automatic BRV works out to be 1.75 lakh rupees cheaper than the Scorpio diesel automatic, in spite of sipping the more expensive variety of fuel. That brings us to the verdict. Scorpio has been the bane of the Indian market for the past 2 decades. It is high time that a vehicle as inefficient, unsafe, overweight, and dynamically challenged as the Scorpio gets relegated to the dustbin of history. In all honesty, the BRV lacks the oomph to entice the rustic Scorpio buyer away from his soulmate, but it is a sign of things to come. What makes matters worse for the Scorpio is that for such a rudimentary vehicle, it is preposterously expensive to buy, run, and maintain. There is not a tinge of doubt in our minds about the winner of this test. It is the Honda BRV.